everyone, welcome back. I'm Richa Gupta and in this video I'm going to show you how to make paneer sandwich with and without toaster. And yes, if you like this video, please give it a try and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's take a look at the recipe. First of all, here I have taken 200 grams of grated paneer, 1 small chopped onion, 1 small chopped tomato, some coriander and 1 small chopped green chilli, black pepper, salt as per taste, ghee, chaat masala, sweet chutney, green chutney and some breads. So first of all, in the paneer, let's add onion, then tomato, then coriander, and at the last green chilies. After this I will add chaat masala. This is 2 teaspoons of chaat masala, salt as per taste and black pepper. Give it a good mix. So now here our mixture is ready. Let's move to next step. So first of all, take a slice of bread, apply some sweet chutney on it, then take another slice, apply some green chutney, on this apply paneer mixture and just cover it. Now let's cover it. Apply same on all the breads. Cover it. So here my all sandwiches are ready and now I'm going to toast it. Here I have taken toaster to toast my breads. So here apply some ghee over the bread to toast. Keep it on this and apply on the top again. Now this bread is ready to be toasted. Let's toast it. Toast it for 1 minute. 1 minute is over and now flip it and toast the other side again for 1 minute. Now 1 minute is done. Let's check our sandwich. Wow, it is turned out. Our sandwich is ready. Let's toast the another one. Cover it and cook this side for 1 minute and then flip and again cook the second side for 1 minute. So here are 2 sandwiches are ready. Now I am going to show you how these 2 sandwiches on tawa, that is without toast. Apply ghee on one side and again apply on the other side. Flip it after 1 minute. Flip the other. These are also done. Now let's take it out. So here my sandwiches are ready. Serve it hot and enjoy.